How to know or how to see your saved Facebook password from your Facebook account. If you have already forgot the password you had, how you can see it on your Facebook. For this, follow the steps here I'm going to show you. To see your Facebook password, you can check if you have saved it on your device. For an iPhone, open the setting application, then go to the password and then click on the Facebook. For a Google account Android, go to Google account, security and manage password of your Facebook account. If you still cannot see your Facebook password, you need to reset it. How to see Facebook password in your iPhone? You should go to the setting, then you should go to the password option here on your setting, then the Facebook account's password. So the steps are simple. All of you can follow them on your device. Open setting, scroll down and select password. Use your face ID or enter your passcode there. Then you can select Facebook. This is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching this video.